How would you like to receive multiple cash offers on your home? You see, selling your home can be a stressful process with many unknowns and absolutely no guarantees. But what if you could get multiple cash offers on your home without the typical hassles associated with selling? That's exactly what you can do when you opt in to receive cash offers for your home. Hi, I'm Jesse Warmka, broker of Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Jesse Warmka Team. With this option, there's no need to wait for an offer from a buyer. You have total control over the home selling process. You can decide when you want to sell, when you want to close, without needing to wait for a buyer's offer. You don't have to worry about prepping your home for sale. This means you don't need to paint, add new carpet, flooring, or do any of the other major prepping items required in a traditional sale. You don't need to worry about showing your homes to strangers. Plus, there's no open houses required. All you have to do is accept one of the competitive offers that come in. So get ready to take control of the home selling process. Make it easy as possible by getting a cash offer on your home today. Call or text us at 608-358-0917. Let's get started.